Jodak e kar chung od bura ma Likuyani e kaunti ma Kakamega biro yudo kony kotenre kod mbui manono bang' Sirkand Japan gi mbalariany ma Kenyatta chako dongruok ma kamano. Jod bura ma Likuyani Innocent Mugabe oyango ni skunde kod kuonde thieth te e kar chung od burano biro yudo ber kuom dongruok ma kamano ma koro biro tim kuonde te. Profesa Joseph Muliro ma mbalariany ma Kenyatta bende oyango ni dongruogno ochan mar dongo chumi kod mbui na jodak makanyo kama en achiel kuom singo mar piny owacho ne jopiny.
The government of Japan with its partners will be able to lay between 15 to 20 kilometers of fiber cables. And we are targeting strategic institutions, including the county headquarters, the digital hub. We have our technical college, we have hospitals, we have schools, primary and secondary schools, we have churches, we have community libraries, and all these will benefit from high-speed internet that will help them, especially our hospitals, to improve on their service delivery.
We are able to, kind of work with the people in Kenya, Kenyan people here, and we are to build up, and some connectivity of the high-speed internet, and especially last mile, problem. That is, anyway, every country you have to overcome this kind of problem.
So our role in this is to ensure that not only this project is implemented, we will offer the capacity building, the skill set to do knowledge transfer, because it's a high knowledge produce technology. We are coming in to ensure that that technology sits properly here in Likuyani and in Kenya.